make letters to the concerned office, and the jetties will not be coming up. And the MPT has also said that they don't require the jetties. So when the MPT says that they don't require the jetties for the coal, so he said that the jetty problem doesn't rise.
Proposed.
It was only proposed, but now they have said that the jetties are not required. So the problem of having jetties,
Who had proposed these jetties then, if it were not required? Captain of ports.
The consultant.
The consultant must be of government only, no, madam?
The consultants for the they are not Goa. They are of the
No,
central.
but if the central government, then without informing the state government, they cannot start work there.
Yeah, but now he's given us assurance that they are that they don't.
They will be
require
dropping
it.
those.
He's officially going to give it to us in writing. That,
Panchayat was not aware about this.
no, they have when it came to our panchayat, we objected to it.
Any reason for what these jetties were been trying to be built up or something?
No, it came to us as jetties for passengers / cargo. Yeah. So that's when we objected, because we didn't know what exactly was
What cargo
what cargo was going to come.
And how long this has been going on?
Probably more than almost 2.5 to 3 years.
2.5 and 3 years, and government are
The government must have been knowing. The panchayat was not aware of what exactly it was.
So you all did not try to find out also in this last
No, we
2.5 years?
have objected and sent the letters to the concerned department that we are objecting. Loutolim panchayat is objecting to it, and that's what we have as all 6 panchayats of